how to fix Instagram gallery photos not showing up. So you might be in the position where you are trying to add photos or the videos to your Instagram post, but the photos or the videos from your gallery doesn't show up. This issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to update it, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for the application Instagram. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. In that case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to settings of a device. Move into general, head over to iPhone storage, and then move into Instagram. Tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Well, it should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. If not, uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram gallery photos is not showing up. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.